So guys, I was minding my own business, scrolling through my feed on social media, and boom, I saw your influencers talking about OCTA this, OCTA that. Now I'm pretty sure that you might have probably seen this all over your social media as well, promoted by your favorite influencers. But guys, here's the thing. I've also seen a lot of comments about OCTA, and this time it really got me curious. People are really skeptical, and honestly, I don't blame them. There's a lot of shady stuffs out there when it comes to trading apps and making money online. So I decided to do what any curious person will do. I wanted to see for myself, is OCTA legit like they say? Because right now, I'm about to put on my detective glasses and let's find out together. But before we dive in, guys, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on honest reviews like this one. Now, don't worry, because you can't see these glasses right now. It's actually embedded on my lens inside of here. First, the research. Now, first things first, I didn't want to just jump in blindly. I did some digging online to see what other people were saying about OCTA. Well, I actually found some pretty positive reviews from reputable sources, and also checking on Trustpilot, they have very good rating and a bunch of positive reviews as well. Is this enough? Anyway, I didn't just want to rely just on these online reviews. So what I simply did was to reach out to the guys in my community, and I'm like, you guys had any personal reviews or experience with OCTA? Come on, let me know about that. Well, the response was actually quite positive as well, and even though some people had a couple of concerns, many of them shared a couple of successful trades and also praised the app's ease of use. Of course, there were some mixed reviews too, which is normal for any trading platform. What next? Well, with all of this research I've done, I felt confident enough to give it a shot and try it out myself. So what I did next was to download the OCTA trading app. Now, the download process was quick and straightforward, as all I was going to do was to just go over to my app store here on my iPhone, or if you actually have an Android, you can also visit your Play Store, search for the OCTA trading app, and you can easily just start downloading this. Pretty much easy. Now, once you're able to download this app, then you basically want to go ahead and set it up by opening up the application and then create an account for yourself. Now, if you have an existing account, you most probably would want to log in, or then you just want to proceed to sign up and create an account for yourself. Now, did I actually mention that I'm going to be dropping the link to actually get access to this particular application down in the description of this particular video? So you actually want to access it, use the link in the description of this particular video to do that right now. There's going to be a very cool bonus at the end of this video. Now, once you're already in here, you actually want to go ahead and create an OCTA trader account for yourself. And as you can see on here, this is actually the recommended option here. And let's say we actually want to get started with it. And it's asking here, do you want to create a real account or a demo account? Now, because we are total beginners, we actually want to get started with a demo account, yes. But then I cannot actually leave out the fact that we have a very clean user interface on here that makes it very easy and smooth and very intuitive with setting up our account. Now, on this particular page, you want to go ahead and smash on demo, and you would see that with your demo account, you can actually get credited a virtual balance of $5,000, and you can select your leverage and also the currency which you're going to be using for your demo account. Now, let's go ahead and click on open demo account, and this is going to bring us over to this very page here, as we would swiftly have access to the trading instruments that are right here on this space. Now, let us go on the bottom menu. You can actually see this option where you have the space feeds, where you can actually get a couple of feeds here. You can see the trading menu. You can see the orders if you have any orders opened, pending, or closed. And here you have access to an account. So if you want to create an account, whether a real or demo account, you can always come up here. Now, another cool thing I would actually love about OCTA is where they provide a wealth of educational materials right inside of the app. Now, this basically is great for learning the ropes of Forex trading, especially if you're a complete beginner and you're looking at actually doing so much well in this space. Now, if you're new to Forex trading, and you're really looking to learn the ropes and get better insights on this, then let me just share with you how OCTA can actually help your beginner's journey. One is where you actually want to start with a demo account. This allows you to practice without risking your real money. Two, you want to use the educational resources here and take advantage of learning the ropes to get better at your trading. Three, you want to start small. When you're ready to trade with real money, you want to start with small amounts. Four, you want to use stop losses, and this fear can help limit your potential losses. Five, you want to stay informed. Here you want to use the app's news feed analysis tools to stay updated on the market and trends. Or maybe you also want to join my crypto community where I can share with you guys a couple more insights around on here. Now, after all of this research and everything I've done right here using OCTA, I most probably will say that this is a legit trading platform with some real solid features. But however, remember that all trading involves some level of risk, and OCTA itself is a tool and this is not a get rich quick scheme. So you simply want to make sure that you apply some knowledge, strategy, and responsible risk management into everything you do right here on this very space. Then if you're really looking at getting started on here, then you want to go ahead and use the link in the description to get access to OCTA in the App Store or Play Store. And when you sign up, you can actually use Franklin 100, and this is going to give you back 100% of every first deposit you get to make right inside of here when you sign up on this app right away. Okay, so go ahead guys and jump on this ASAP and let me know your thoughts and concerns in the comment section below, and do well to subscribe to this channel, smash the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.